everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I have created this look. So I thought to add some colors in my makeup and in my eyeshadow, so it really turned out so well. So this type of look you can easily carry if you're going for in vacations, in beach vacations, or in anywhere. So it will look very different and very attractive. So it really turned out so well. I'm loving this look, so hope you will also enjoy this look. So if you want to see how I've created this look, then watch this video till the end. So I've already prepped my skin by washing my face and then applying a moisturizer. You can also apply any face wash and clean your skin and then apply a moisturizer and then start with your makeup. So I have already used moisturizer, so I'm directly coming to a primer. So today I'm going to use this Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Primer. So this is actually a very good primer. So if you have already seen my previous videos, you will be able to know how much I'm obsessed with this primer, because it gives a blur effect. At the same time, it will even your skin tone and your makeup will also look very flawless. Whenever you're always using primer, always apply it in your T-zone area, because this is a place where we have big pores, so it will cover your big pores and it will make your even skin tone. So today I'm going to use a Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage Foundation. So it's a full coverage foundation. If you are going in occasions or any party, there you can use this foundation. But if you're looking for everyday foundation, then you can use a Maybelline Fit Me One. So in this I am in the shade 128 Warm Nude. So I'm just taking a one pump. Then I'm going to use this foundation all over in my face. And now I'm using a damp beauty sponge. I'm going to blend this foundation all over in my face. So today I am going to give a very small introduction about me, because I know here many new subscribers are there who don't know much about me. So I'm going to tell a little bit about me so that you can know about me a little bit. So I am a Bengali girl and my hometown is Kolkata, and I have done all my educations, done my jobs from Kolkata. So after getting married, my husband got an opportunity in Delhi, and then we shifted to Delhi in 2019. So my foundation is done now. So I have already blended my foundation. So first I'm going to use this Miss Clear palette, eyebrow palette. It's a very good palette. It gives a very natural eyebrows. So I'm going to use this two shade. If you're looking for a good eyebrow kit, definitely try this Miss Clear one. If you want to see my new house in Delhi, if you want a house tour, then definitely I will do a house tour video also. And my eyebrows are done now. You can see how natural it is looking. So now I'm going to use Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. This is in the shade 20 Sand. So this is also a very good concealer, this Maybelline Fit Me One. If you're looking for a good concealer, then definitely you can have this Maybelline Fit Me One. If you're in my shade, then you can use this 20 Sand. Use a concealer brush to even out the crease. If there is any creases occurs in my inner corner of my eyes, I'm just blending it so that crease doesn't occur. Now I'm going to use a Maybelline Fit Me loose powder, and this is the shade light medium. So this is also a very good loose powder. If you're looking for a good loose powder, then definitely you can have this Maybelline one. So whenever you will do your eyeshadow, before doing your eyeshadow, always use a loose powder under your eyes So whenever there will be a fallout also, we'll just dust it off with any powder brush, and then it will clear it out. So definitely do that. So I have already used that powder, loose powder. So right now I'm going to use this eyeshadow palette, Acne Absolute Infinity eyeshadow palette, and take this shade in my upper crease area. I'm going to blend this. So here I'm taking this flat brush and just I'm dipping this in this. I'm going to use it in my upper crease area. So I'm blending very softly, and I'm just holding my brush like this way. I'm not just holding like this, I'm just holding this brush like this way and blending it very softly in my upper crease area. To use this flat brush, I'm going to take this shade and going to use it in my outer corner, and then I will blend it towards the inner corner of my eyes. So today I'm going to use a green kajal. It's a green emerald. I'm going to do a wing eye with this kajal. I'm going to use this Nika K birthday eyeshadow palette, and I'm taking a flat brush, and here I'm taking this green shade and going to use it above my kajal. And now from Sirimini palette, I am going to take this shade and going to use it in my Senti lid. Now what I am going to do, I am going to mix these two shades from Lakme Absolute Infinity eyeshadow palette, and I am going to use this in my lower lash line. Now I'm going to use a kajal. So this is a Lakme kajal in the shade Classic Brown. So this is also a very good kajal, and this is a everyday kajal that you can use, and Classic Brown is a very good shade. I'm going to curl my lashes with this eyelash curler. And now I'm going to use this Maybelline Hypercurl mascara. So this is actually a very good mascara type of mascara. It gives add volume to your lashes, and it also gives that curl effect. It's Maybelline Sirimini palette, and here I am going to take this shade. This is a shimmery shade. I'm going to use in my inner corner of my eyes. I'm going to bronze my cheekbones so that it can look very chic and sharp. So here I'm going to use a Wet n Wild contour palette, and this is in the shade Dalche Dilache. So here I'm taking this shade. And also using this same in my jawline area. I'm going to take a flat brush. I'm going to take same brown shade. I'm going to contour my nose. And also a little bit in my forehead area. I'm going to take a blush brush This is from Maybelline. This is their Mustard Flush blush, and this is in the shade Next to Nude. It's a very ombre effect. I'm going to use in my cheekbone areas. Sugar Contour palette, I'm going to use this highlighter. This is actually a very good highlighter. So, and not only the highlighter, the bronzer and the blush is also very good. So if you want a, if you're looking for a good palette, 3-in-1 palette in which you have a contour, blush and highlighter, definitely this is the one. So it's a highly recommended from my end. So I'm using 01 Subtle Submit highlighter. Going to use this highlighter in my eyebrow bone area. I'm going to use this Maybelline liquid lipstick, and this in the shade Best Baby. So this is how the lipstick looks like. So I'm thinking, shall I mix another lipstick? Let me think. Shall I? So I'm going to mix this shade. So this is from Maybelline. This is a Clay Crush. So I'm just going to use it in my center lips. Mix this two color, and now really the color is coming very good. So if you want, you can mix your lipstick also, and it will come a very good color also. So this is my final look. Hope you have loved watching this video and you have liked this look. If you do, then please hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe my channel, because I'll be coming up with more interesting video like this. Till then, love you all, take care, bye bye, and see you in my next video.